You assassin, they come out there to come do it. Ain't no see y'all just scared judge, what's y'all? Yo, crank that soldier girl up in there. Watch me crank it, watch me roll. Watch me crank that soldier girl and Superman. Now watch me, yo. Yeah. Get out my face. Yeah. Get out my face. Get out my face. I want my stuff. Beat that.
I'ma beat you on this train. My thing.
You thought I couldn't freestyle on you, boo? You want everybody to apologize for your stuff. You got 5 minutes to do it.
Oh, it's over.
I'ma ram through the White House to kick off. And you don't want to take it there. I got a bunch of goons in my city that'll take it there. Hey, Mama, see Judge, what's going on?
No, bro, no.
In a minute, hey. Yeah.
Chill, shawty, chill.
Chill. You just all that calls me. I'm chill. I'm chill. That's the best I can take right now. Until I get Eli trained, and I didn't get right back anyway. And say anything about cutting the old lady. See what's gonna cut me out, bro. See the same person that cuts me out. No old lady. Let's find the old lady. You know, get up, old lady. Get up, old lady. Get up, old lady. This old lady right here that did. My wig. Where my ass head at?
It's on your head, shawty. It's on your head.
I'm for the charger. I'm about to go.